Okay, you're all clear. You can put them in as
It's gonna take forever. Just have to like start putting them on their napkin.
Chubby bunny.
Dang, you guys are good.
I got it.
Juliana, get us off. Everybody.
Not in your mouth.
Chubby buddy.
You're wasting all the marshmallows.
Speak.
How many do you have? She did. How many do you have?
How many do you have? She's like.
You're out? Okay.
I'm gonna try again.
You're out? Are you out? No? Okay. 3.
I just so different.
Giselle won! I was gonna throw up.
I can only fit 3.
Dude, look at this water. It's all rippled. No, Juliana! Well, guys, we are home from school and it's raining. When we just came out of the car, it was pouring. Look, in the woods back there, it's flooded.
It is?
Mm-hmm.
It probably is.
Down
You can't see it.
on the road.
Oh, my neck hurts.
Ugh. Since when has California ever had rain? Just like this.
Since now. Zico, no.
People, hiya people, hiya people, hiya people. This is the first time you guys have seen my face today. Yes. Today has been a very random vlog because I just wanted to vlog today. You might be wondering, why am I wearing a robe? Well, let me tell you something. It is storming outside. I mean, it stopped raining right now. As you saw the previous footage, it was raining. But like, it stopped raining. It's wet all outside. And it was hailing today. Anyways, so yeah, it's been a storm outside and it's been freezing cold. And my nose is pink because I'm cold. So yeah, it's cold and you might be wondering like, Megan, just turn on the heater. Yeah, well, once you turn it on, it doesn't heat up my room. So that's why I'm wearing up my robe. I don't know why it doesn't heat up my room. Don't ask. Oh, so what you saw in the beginning of the vlog was us doing Chubby Bunny Challenge in leadership in my 7th period. I just thought that was really funny. I was like, oh, I should put this in the vlog. And then I got a footage of storming, of the storm, and lots of trees have fallen. And it's gonna storm again on Sunday. Oh, look at the wind. Look at the trees. It's crazy. So yeah, I'm cold, but I'm dealing with it. So I hope, I think I'm gonna vlog some more. I don't know. See you guys later. And yeah. So peace for now. I'm keeping on my rope because I can keep on my rope. I don't even know what I was saying, so don't judge me. Just anyways, guys, I'm still red. Why won't you go? I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm so bored. I'm still on my rope because I'm cold. Let's go check up on Sarah. Oh. Are you in your... You're in your bed. Do you want to say hi to our best, to the best people in the world? Huh? You want to say hi? My gosh, don't act dumb. Okay, well then.
Hi. Who am I speaking to?
You're speaking to YouTube.
Oh. Hi. Megan stood behind the camera.
That's Zika barking. Sarah,
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask you a few questions. So, you gotta answer this one and be honest, okay?
Okay.
Why are you stupid? Okay.
Hello. I am not stupid. I have all A's in my report card. Well, my progress report, but
Are you sure you didn't hack in there?
I'm no computer techie person.
How's life growing up as an idiot?
I'm not an idiot. You are.
Touche. Do you want to show us the room that you have now? That is now your room?
Yeah.
Okay, this is gonna go out. Don't worry, guys. It's so ugly.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's not ugly. There's just some parts in the room that we have to repaint.
Well, no, your room's not ugly.
Oh, okay, yeah, that. This is we're taking up tomorrow
Oh,
during the
okay.
day because
Okay.
we're getting my dresser at
What's this?
4. The coat.
Wow.
Didn't hang up.
Wow. So you have
Like you've never
Snoopy?
dropped a coat.
you have Snoopy.
Oh yeah. I got that from Knott's. Okay.
What's here? Sarah says this is a hashtag.
Okay,
but
I'll fix it.
I was like,
I was kind of in a rush because Mom and Dad were home, and I was like, "Oh, they're home. I want to see." Like, oh, yeah.
okay. And did you seriously kiss him?
Yeah. I had red lipstick on because we were doing like a video and all, I think. And so I was like, I don't want to kiss a piece of paper and then like throw it away. So he kissed my poster.
Oh, that's
And it's still
that's
there.
nice. That's nice. I'm just gonna say that just so that way I won't be mean to her. So, what do you have new here?
Oh, a new lamp. My
And, may I ask you what this is? Are you like summoning something?
no, this is Granny's.
Oh,
Granny Franny gave
What
this
happened to its
us.
hat?
I don't know. These dolls really fall apart. I don't know where its other thing is. There was like a girl one of these and all. And it had like a dress and all.
Wow.
I dropped it in water. I like totally ruined
Is this the baby?
Yes, that's a little baby. He's a
Where'd you
little
take
baby.
that?
I don't know. I should really put the dates on these things.
And Sarah,
Megan.
what's this here?
My emoji pillow. But it's not our silly. I was thinking that we can change our silly sister's logo to this.
Hold up. Who said you were in charge here? Oh wait, you're the president.
Me. I'm kidding. No, we can. I like the way.
And
This
she
is the
has
only
a nice
one we
pillow
had.
that she could lay on.
Oh yeah, I had this one.
No,
or
not that one. No.
Oh, this one. Yeah. So like, I can sit up against it, like when I'm reading or something, instead of like. sitting
You
against-
read?
Yeah. And then this pillow is very special to me.
Okay.
It's
well
personal.
Then. Nice talk with you. Say bye to the vlog for now.
Bye.
I don't know what to do. I really don't know. What? Oh my gosh. This is not good, guys. Do you know what could happen with the broken bed? Horrible things. Still my robe. Don't judge me. I'm actually gonna be a model for you guys today. guys, I could you not. I seriously think this is stuck onto my head. Oh my god. Like, I try to pull it off, it just won't come off. I think I'm stuck like this forever. I can't remove my face. Oh no. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, this is gonna take some. I'm free. Oh my god. Oh my god. It left me a mark. But hey, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
You people.
Shut up.
I'm in my onesie. So what are you doing, Megan?
I'm making my bed into a cave.
Why?
Because I want to. And stop doing it with my camera. I knew you were doing that.
Yeah, because you can see my fingers going like this. You know?
Oh my gosh, it's such a heavy blanket. Okay, so I'm going to start over here. So,
I'm trying to get some cool shots.
I know, so stop.
I'm trying to be a professional.
Okay.
I'm looking at myself in the mirror while doing this. I'm looking at myself in the mirror.
This is hard. This is harder than I thought.
I'm gonna go get my robe.
This is harder than I thought. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go get that.
Okay guys, so here's my cave. This is where I entered. It's very dark in here too. This is
That's why
dark.
she doesn't like it.
Okay, Sarah. I'm gonna go try to make cookies. I'm not sure if it's too late or not.
I'm tired.
You gonna go to sleep?
I don't know.
Oh.
Should I have a cookie? Nah. Mm-mm.
Okay. See you guys later. Well guys, that's the end of the vlog today and the video. So we hope you guys enjoyed it. It's really late. I'm so tired. Please hit the subscribe button and like the video if you liked it, and comment if you want more vlogs or not. And the subscriber of the week goes to Bubbles Life 101. Woo! Shout out, shout out, shout out. Woo! Bubbles Life 101 is a good friend of mine. She goes to my school. She's a really good friend. So please go subscribe to her, support her. She has really good content and videos on her channel. And when you go over there, please comment Silly Sisters sent me here, okay? Thank you. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, or whatever you guys are having right now, whatever time you're watching this. But Sarah would be here with me, but she's sleeping right now, and I'm about to crash too in my cave. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.